I'd like to welcome everybody to the Live Free or Die farmstead. We got this beautiful dome here for you to enjoy and spend your weekends here, spend your weeks here even. Bring your loved ones. We can accommodate 4 people in this very dome. We got 2 queen size beds and AC units out the wazoo. I say that because we got 2 straying off of the conversation, but we'll even throw in a couple of beers and some quail eggs. I mean, what else could you need? So, what you're gonna get when you rent with us. We have this is our living room area. So you're gonna have a 65-inch TV, PlayStation. We got a Bose sound bar back here, an Apple TV. You got a high-speed internet with the Starlink. So
that's
if you need,
down there?
That's down there, yeah. So if you need to do any work out here, uploads, downloads, it's all lightning fast and very capable of handling your business needs. Or if you want to stream something on YouTube, it's gonna go flawless. So you can sit here on the nice Chase Lounge. We've installed these marine windows here so you can
get a
nice breeze in here.
Feel that air.
It's coming in pretty quick.
Yeah, it's fresh too.
Full kitchen with some nice treats for our guests. We actually have quail on property, and so we give you all some free quail eggs with your stay. There may or may not be a beer or 2 in there when you arrive. Probably will. Oven, stove, and dishwasher if you're gonna have an extended stay with us. Come on in. Yeah, watch out. Come on into the dining room here. We got a nice table for everybody to sit at. Enjoy your dinners that you've just cooked on the grill or over in the kitchen. And then if you need to use the restroom, our restroom's centrally located in this 685 square foot geodesic dome.
That looks cozy.
Yeah, it's actually really nice. You can put your feet up and just lay back and look at the stars through the big vinyl window. Or you can browse your Instagram or Facebook, watch some rich stays on YouTube. Just enjoy your very private, romantic evening.
Right over here.
That being said, welcome to the bedroom. We have a queen size bed for your stay. For our yoga friends or spiritual friends, this is the nice place to come and have a nice, relaxing, quiet moment. Sorry, a little out of practice. I'll flip that whole thing over and do it that side.
What is the hot tub called? What brand is this?
Dynasty Spas.
Dynasty
It's called
Spas.
the something Royale. I'll figure it out.